Hi all, welcome back to Arlene's Recipe Corner. Today's video is a chicken dry starter recipe. Marinated chicken pieces fried on a tawa or in a pan till dry. I hope you find this video helpful. Let's begin. Here I have taken 400 grams of boneless chicken. Cut the chicken into small pieces or slices. I am removing the skin of the chicken. Now transfer the pieces into a plate. To marinate the chicken, half tablespoon vinegar, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, few curry leaves, 30 ml curd and 2 pinch of food color, which is optional. Mix to coat the chicken pieces well in the marinade. Now, with a fork, pierce the chicken pieces. Cover and let it marinate for 10 minutes. Heat a pan or a tawa and once hot, add the marinated chicken. Spread it evenly and cook for 1 minute on high flame. After a minute, give a mix and let it cook for another 1 minute. At this stage, chicken and the spices are partially cooked. Now I am adding 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped green chilli, small piece of chopped capsicum and 1 tomato which I have thinly sliced. Add a teaspoon of soya sauce and 1/4 teaspoon oregano. Give a good mix. Turn the heat to low and cook covered for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the chicken has released its juices. Let's check if the chicken is soft. Here you can see the chicken breaks easily, is soft and hence is cooked well. Now turn the heat to high to dry out the excess water. Slowly you can see the chicken juices releasing oil as it dries. This is due to the curd and the fat from the chicken. Once dried, add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce and 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Mix and stir fry well for a minute. Garnish with coriander leaves and juice of half a lemon. Mix well and turn off the heat. Cover and let it rest for 2 minutes before serving. I hope you like this recipe of mine. If you tried this recipe, Please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for visiting and watching this video. And also subscribe to my channel to meet us again. Take care. Bye-bye.